In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add payment method in QuickBooks. This is a quick setup that makes your sales forms cleaner, your reports more accurate, and your reconciliation easier because every payment you record can be tagged with the exact way your customer paid. Start by going to QuickBooks and signing into the company you want to work with. Once your dashboard loads, look to the upper right corner for the small gear icon, often called the settings icon. This opens the administrative menu where many of your company preferences and lists live. From that menu, choose All Lists. Think of this area as the library behind the scenes, products, terms, and, in our case, the list that controls the options you see on sales forms. In the list screen, select Payment Methods. This is where QuickBooks stores the labels that appear in the payment method drop-down on invoices, sales receipts, and when you receive payments. Adding the right methods here helps you distinguish between cash, check, bank transfer, credit card, and any other ways your customers pay you. Now click New to create a payment method. A small window will appear where you'll define the details. In the name field, type the label you want to use, such as cash, check, bank transfer, ACH, wire, or a specific digital wallet your business accepts. Keep names short, clear, and consistent. If your business has more than one option that sounds similar, add a descriptor like ACH, domestic or wire, international, so your team picks the right one on every transaction. If you see any additional options in this window, choose the ones that fit the method you're adding. For example, you might see a setting that identifies a method as a credit card type. Only use that for actual card payments because it can affect how QuickBooks treats deposits and processing fees. If you're unsure, keep it simple and stick with the name only. You can always edit the method later. Before you save, take a quick look at your existing list to avoid duplicates. Spelling differences like ACH versus ACH can split reporting. When you're happy with the name, click Save. You should see your new method appear in the list immediately. That's it. The new payment method is now available anywhere you choose a payment method in QuickBooks, including invoices, sales receipts, and the Receive Payment screen. If you ever need to adjust or retire a method, return to this list and make your changes. Keeping this list tidy ensures clean books, faster workflows, and consistent reporting across your team.